Hi, my name is Candy, and I thought I'd give this whole YouTube thing a try. Thanks for clicking and starting off my journey on this thing called YouTube. I have two birds and two boys. This is Tiki, one of my birds. And there's Rocco taking a nap. And I thought if I could just help one person like that, make one person smile, then my job is complete. I know I don't fit the typical mold of YouTube. I'm not as young as all the other people, but I am a mom, like I said, of two boys, so hopefully I can relate with just being a mom. Tiki, what do you say? Oh, good boy. There's your cookie. Yum. Is it good? Is it good? One of my favorite things to do when everybody's home is play pig outside with the boys. So here are some funny clips we got over Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah.
Throw it up and spin. Throw it up.
What are you doing, Mom?
How many times have I done it?
You tell me.
Oh my god.
5.
5 times and whoa, shoot. Yes.
Okay, 5 spins, go.
1, 2, 3.
Nope, I didn't count.
I get to start over?
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You messed up.
Can I start over on my own?
I go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that?
No, like
I don't know how to do this one anyway.
fake.
Between the legs?
One more. Dribble between the legs. Don't lift it up.
Oh.
Don't lift it up. Just push between the legs. Push it behind you. How coordinated are you?
I've never done it.
There you go.
Then what?
Between the legs.
You do it
fold
twice.
Over. Between legs again. Yeah.
Now what?
Now behind the back. Fake lefty. And then go righty.
Oh! What?
Huh?
Where'd you jump from? Here?
Yeah.
Jump out and shoot.
It's scary.
Two.
Whatever you want to do, you're going to miss it there if you shoot underhand. Go!
Did you shoot
I
overhand?
jumped out and shot overhand.
I can't.
No. Just jump out. Jump.
Wait,
No,
I-
what? Jump
Let me
out.
try. I don't
No.
even get it.
Just jump out.
I can't.
Just jump far. Jump as far as you can.
Wait,
No, Mom.
wait.
No, it doesn't
And then
count.
pick them up.
No.
Here we go.
You dribble them hard.
2, 3, 4. Pick them up and shoot. Oh, foo-foo.
My turn.
Okay, whenever you want.
Hurts.
You didn't get trans.
I'll have to check. That's good, Kai.
He lands right in front of it.
But he missed that shot.
Oh! What was that, Grandpa?
Boo!
No, good form, Trent.
It's
Good form, Trent.
It's such a pass. I can't
What was that? Cartwheel.
do cartwheels.
You did a great one. What was it,
That
Kyle?
was Kyle. I was
Oh.
great.
Cartwheel, spin.
All right, go. We're going to do whatever you do.
All right. Cartwheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it right up. Oh!
Rocco, bye-bye. 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 Good boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.